All right, y'all. We got the Phoenix Mercury and the Seattle Storm. Now, from the last video, I seen that Sue Bird got her statue in front of the Seattle Storm arena. Well deserved. Congratulations to Sue Bird. But let's see if the Seattle Storm can get the job done versus the Phoenix Mercury in front of the Seattle Storm legend himself, Sue Bird. Let's get into it. Last time we seen the Phoenix Mercury, Satu was hooping like prime James Harden. Let's see if she still has that same energy versus Seattle. That was too easy. Well, let's get it started. Kalia Copper. Bucket. That bucket in her. Thomas. Gabby, top of the key, is a 3. 12-9.
Can't get it to go. Seattle's had 3 or 4 layup opportunities. That was a tough one. Wheeler goes.
Now, it's a part of the sport. Embarrassing moments like this are going to happen. But what caused this?
3 or 4 layup opportunities. That was a tough one.
Erica Wheeler. I know you ain't. I know you didn't get dropped by that in and out by Debo Thomas. That dropped you? No. And you slid. Oh, 3. It's all good, though. It happens to the best of us, but still, that was embarrassing. It comes back. 22-17. Okay, Sykes. If anything. Thomas.
Tiggins tried to check in, but the official said she was a little late checking in, so we got
and one.
And we got one now as Alyssa Thomas.
It goes in, that's all that mattered. Hard. Turnover. Gabby. Pass. Nekagumake. I like this. I'm just now noticing this. Hold on. You see right here on the court, it has the Sue Bird logo. Nice. That's okay, Neck. Nekagumake with the season move. Okay. About to say it. Copper. She chucking it. It's going in. 43. Neka for 3. Splash. I was about to say, it's a bucket.
Somebody to go with Skylar and Neka in the scoring department.
Ezzy. AT. Cop. Back to AT. Satu Sabali for 3. AT. Is that a dunk? Oh, it's a smoke layup. Okay. Well, go ahead with your bad self then, Nat. Go ahead then. Mac attack can't stop that. Okay. Not a steal. Gabby. It was funny. Like, it's not funny, but at the same time, it's like, you know what? What do I do in a situation? Do I pull up jump shot or do I take her to the rack? You know what? I'm going to take her to the rack. Good take. No. Dominique Malunga highlights. And I still need an in-game dunk. I seen him in the warm-ups. Need it in game. Nice little rim grace. Good pump fake. Damn.
It goes. 4 minutes to play in the third quarter. Williams crossover. Now to Wheeler. Catch in.
Okay, Wheeler. Splash. With the wheels, the Gabby. Euro in traffic. Okay, it's a 4-point game. No, yeah, that could have been a dunk. I'm not gonna lie. This could have been a turn face. But good finish nonetheless. I'd rather you make a layup than miss a dunk. 75-73. It's a steal. They got numbers. I was about to say jump ball 77-75.
Is controlled by Seattle.
You
So it's
will?
Sutter. Wheeler with it for the lead. There it is. Big
Well, shoot that thing
job. She
in.
goes right past Bonner. That's off.
Oh, like I say, it's part of the sport, but this layup is crazy.
Here she goes right past Bonner.
She tried to draw the foul so hard.
No good. Rebound Sabali.
That looked insane.
They've got numbers. 3-on-2. Bounce pass into Copper, and Phoenix takes the lead once again. Timeout.
That's that like she Magic Johnson.
Noel Quinn, still plenty of
18
time in a one-point
to
game.
Cop for finish.
117.
Kalia Cop.
Bonner has it. Skip pass, Sabali. Copper driving
Hey!
baseline. Two defenders and scores.
3-point game.
3-point game.
24 seconds.
Thomas with it.
AT.
Tough shot.
Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, that might be the dagger.
Thomas, and it's a
Ooh, they
two-possession
got the
lead. Timeout, Noel Quinn.
they get the dub on Sue Bird Statue Night. Whoa, what was that?
12 seconds left. Goes in. Lays it up.
Yo, this is what happened last game.
Timeout, Noel.
This is what happened last game. What was that? Phoenix? What is that?
12 seconds left. Goes in. Lays it up.
You gotta be kidding me, Chad.
And nearly
Oh my gosh, Chad, that was almost back-to-back turnovers.
goes in. Lays it up. Seattle down one.
Gabby could have stole this. She was really close from stealing it. You have to foul now. Now. Foul. Ooh, 2.9 seconds, 3-point game. Sykes gotta come get it. Because Gabby taking the ball. Why is she taking the ball? It's either Sykes or Diggins, chat, for the tie.
Lays out. Gabby throws it in. Wheeler's got it. Throws it up.
I know you ain't just do this to me, dog. I know you ain't just do this to me. No, 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 no,
I'm trying to
no, 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 no. You ain't just do this to me, dog. All right. You can't give it to me like this. You can't give it to me like this. What was this? What was this?
Gabby throws it in. Wheeler's got it.
You ain't gonna give it to me like this. Come on, man. You ain't gonna give it to me like this. I said Skylar Diggins or Brittany Sykes should take the game tying three. What was this?
Gabby throws it in. Wheeler's got it.
You lying to me. Oh my goodness, bro. Anyway, GG's.
And
Go win, Phoenix. Go win. Go win, Phoenix. Alright, check box score, see who did what. Alyssa Thomas with 19, 10 and 11, 7 to 12, triple double alert. Should have made that free throw, would have got you 20. She won. Mercury won, and that's all that mattered. Tasha Mack with a layup. Sat 2 with 11 and 10 double double. Hey, you didn't drop 26, but you got a double double. I respect it. Sammy had 15. Kalia Copper with 17. The one at bottom with 10. Kat Westbell with 8. Lexi held with 3. Kalani Brown didn't play. Kiana Williams didn't play. And Monique with the left knees out. Storm. Neka Gomke with 24 and 8. Gabby with 13. Ezzy, 6. No, that 6 and 14 is nasty, Gabby. You better than that. You had 13 and 7, but that 6 and 14, you could have had at least 27, 26 if the efficiency was there tonight. But it is what it is. Skylar Diggins with 14, 50% from the field. Brittany Sykes, 11. Dominique with 6. Erica Will with 8. All right, extra stats. We got the Mercury winning the rebounds by 4, assists by 2. Seattle won the steals by 3. Blocks were tied. Turnovers. Storm had 5 less turnovers and 3 less fouls. 19 to 16. Free throws. 83% versus 77%. Threes. 4 of 22 is nasty. Yeah, 8 of 26. It's not really any better, but 4 of 22. Ooh. Field goals, 48%, 40.5% versus 47% for the Seattle Storm. All right. Is there any side clips that we need to look at? I know we have to see um the statue reveal for Sue Bird. Let's see if there's anything else we need to look at. Caitlin Clark wasn't at the game, so Leah Boston had to do the pregame ritual by herself. Now I did see Caitlin Clark wasn't at this game because her boyfriend's grandmother passed. R.I.P. to his grandmother. R.I.P. to his grandmother.
I was just starting to drain this silly.
Leah Boston, this is getting very lonely. I'm sick over this.
I was just starting to drain the silliest and softer.
Like, you don't have any other handshakes with anybody else you could have did today? You
I was just starting
just had to have an invisible
to
Caitlyn
drain
today.
the silliest and
Natasha Howard, like, what are you doing?
softer.
Anyway, the blonde twins, Sophie Cunningham and Lexi Ho. That's 2 out of the 3. What y'all call them? The 3 leches? That's 2 out of the 3. Prayers to Sophie Cunningham as she was hurt earlier today with the right leg injury. Like I said in that video, if Sophie's out for an extended period of time, the fever might be good. That roster's getting skinny. No Caitlyn, no Erie, no Sophie, no Sydney. Ooh. What's her name? Kelsey Mitchell. We need a lot of those 40-point games. Aaliyah Boston, you know what to do. Anyway, when statues do athletes justice. Uh, okay, let's keep moving. Yep, we've seen all these. All right, let's go to women's hooping. Let's see if there's anything there. If not, right here. Flagrant Chelsea Gray sticks foot out and rewarded.
Point of the season, they play spoiler. Yeah, the Aces, they're playing to get a top 4 seed. Oh boy, that's a big mistake. Ooh, and they got 2. Yep, it was.
That's not fun. Anyway, what else? Aaliyah Boston president of NFL resiliency at the 21. We'll come back to me. Yeah, because as I said in that video, they could have just bowed down and quit. They would have been canceled for losing to a team that only had 6 wins.
That's what we say.
But again, they showed resilience. They showed heart. They didn't give up. And they've had 6 wins. They came back and won.
Together.
The
And
fever.
it's just more than words for us. I think when you see things happening, there's no other way. If you spread apart, the season goes down quicker than anything else. And we talk about with the injuries, people are probably expecting us to just fold, just like you said, and that's not us. We come in the locker room and we're motivated. We continue to be motivated every single time we step on that floor. At halftime, we were motivated, chip away, and that's our mindset. And just continue to uplift people. When one person goes down, we say it all the time, the next woman stands up.
Facts.
And that's really just
Facts.
been our motto and been what we've had to do a lot this season, and that's what we're just going to continue to do.
They're just like their men's team, the Pacers. They could be down 20 and all of a sudden they win the game. The Pacers. How is that even possible? A lot of praising Kelsey Mitchell, Aaliyah Boston calls Kelsey Mitchell MVP. Y'all think she's an MVP? Standing ovation. Sue Bird. Definitely well rewarded statue for Sue Bird for what she's done for the Seattle Storm. Cam Brink and Kiki area fans, Stanford alums. Chad. Go Kiki picking somebody up per usual. And the thing is, Cam Brink is like 6'5" and just picked her up so easily. That Nigerian strength. But chat, do you know how crazy that Stanford team was though? They had these two, right? Cam Brink and Kiki Ariafin. I don't know if I have the timing right. Yeah, these two. They had Lexi Hull and they had Lauren Betts all on the same team. Do you know how crazy that is? Do you know how tall that team is? 6'8" Lauren Betts, 6'5" Cameron Brink, and 6'3" Kiki Ariafin. One third Lexi Hull, 5'10". It's pretty tall, I ain't gonna lie to you. Shout out Madison Scott. Anyway, hey, Captain Mitchell. Kiki says too small after score.
Two defenders in her space. That's why Kelsey Plum is cut different.
The hell me gave her a bucket and said you're too little.
Hits him with a too small. Ah, you're too small.
Rock the baby. She's too little. Burp the baby. She's too little. But yeah, we've seen all these other ones. Paige Becker signing a Paige Becker's flag. Okay. Country Bird statue unveiling. Let's see. No, 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 no. How did we end way up there? Do y'all like the statue? Is it good? Because I've noticed that some of the statues that they make of these legends look like them at all. After D Wade, his statue looks nothing like him. That might be. They said that's Dwayne Wade. That might be Duval Wade. That ain't Dwayne Wade. That's somebody else. I ain't gonna lie to you. Even Tom Brady. I don't know if Tom Brady's look like him either. To be honest with you, that might be Thomas. There's Tom and there's Thomas Brady. There's two different Bradys. Anyways, that being said, gosh, I was about to end the video. Naked whacked in the mouth. Oh, this name. There, this name. Anyways, that being said, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You guys would appreciate it. Is there anything else? That's a good statue though. DT. Yeah, that's a pretty good statue. Doing a signature fast break layup. There's speech.
You can't see the face. Are we good? Nose is straight? Amazing. Man, it's crazy to see it bronzed. Got the Hirachi 2Ks on. Okay, I'll get to my screen.
Hirachi 2Ks is crazy. Anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, man.